Welcome to Jello Toys. Please make sure to subscribe for more fun and educational videos. Pufferfish. Pufferfish can puff up like a balloon to scare away predators. Manta ray. Manta rays are graceful sea creatures that can have a wingspan as wide as a car. Hammerhead sharks. They have oddly shaped heads that help them detect prey. Great white shark. Great white sharks can breach the water surface while hunting, exhibiting incredible power and speed. Jellyfish. Jellyfish have been around for over 500 million years, making them one of the oldest creatures on Earth. Whale shark. Whale sharks are the biggest fish in the ocean, but they're gentle giants. Alligator. Alligators are reptiles with powerful jaws and live in swamps and rivers. Blue whale. Blue whales are the largest animals on Earth, and their hearts are the size of a small car. Sea turtle. Sea turtles are reptiles that travel thousands of miles in the ocean and return to the same beach to lay their eggs. Lobster. Lobsters are crustaceans with strong claws and are often red when cooked. Orca. Orcas are known to create waves to knock seals off ice floes, showcasing their intelligence and hunting strategy. Clownfish. Clownfish live among the tentacles of sea anemones and have a special relationship with them. Seahorse. Seahorses are small, unique fish with a curled tail and swim upright. Humpback whale. Humpback whales are known for their acrobatic jumps and beautiful songs. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs are not born with their own shells. Instead, they find and use abandoned shells from other sea creatures to protect their soft abdomens. Stingray. Stingrays have flat bodies and sometimes have a stinger on their tail. Seal. Seals are playful and social marine mammals that spend time both in the water and on land. Dolphin. Dolphins are intelligent marine mammals that can communicate with each other through a series of clicks and whistles. Crab. Crabs walk sideways due to the structure of their legs. Squid. Squids have the largest eyes in the animal kingdom. Octopus. Octopuses have 3 hearts and can change the color and texture of their skin to blend into their surroundings. Hippo. Hippos are excellent swimmers and can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes. Shark. Sharks have electroreceptor cells called ampullae of Lorenzini, allowing them to detect electrical signals emitted by prey even in total darkness.